As we observe the sun, we can't help but recognize its vast power and the immense energy it radiates throughout our solar system. It is difficult to imagine anything that could surpass the sun in terms of strength. However, beyond our own star, there exists a cosmic marvel that makes even the most powerful solar giants appear insignificant in comparison. This object, known as VY Canis Majoris, the red supergiant, is a wonder that defies explanation. Its enormous size, irregular pulsations, and unpredictable behavior make it a subject of constant study. Scientists are still investigating the mysteries surrounding the star's immense energy and potential. Through their research, they have uncovered something truly frightening. Join us on a journey as we explore this star within the constellation Orion using the James Webb Telescope. We will delve into how its discovery could revolutionize our understanding of astronomy and its effect on the cosmos. If you wish to stay updated on astronomical discoveries and cosmic phenomena, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the notification bell. While many are unaware of this, it is indeed possible to spot VY Canis Majoris in the night sky during the winter months in the Northern Hemisphere. All you need to do is look up and focus on the Orion constellation and Canis Major to catch a glimpse of this brilliant star. It's easy to locate the reddish-orange star that sits at the upper left corner of Orion's rectangular shape. This star is among the largest and brightest visible from Earth, making it hard to miss. However, if you observe the star closely, you will notice that its brightness is not consistent. It actually varies periodically. This is no coincidence, as VY Canis Majoris is far from an ordinary star. While it might appear as just another star in the vast expanse of space, it is located more than 640 light-years away from us. At first, this might not seem like an enormous distance, but in reality, it is a staggering gap. To put this into perspective, if we were able to travel at the speed of light, which is, of course, not possible, it would take over 640 years to reach VY Canis Majoris. Even with the most advanced spacecraft, a journey to this star would take more than 12 billion years, which exceeds the entire span of human civilization. The distance to VY Canis Majoris is not the only factor that makes it stand out. It is a pulsating red supergiant star, meaning it is an ancient, massive star that expands and contracts in cycles. During these cycles, its brightness fluctuates, sometimes becoming more intense and at other times dimming. These fluctuations can last anywhere from tens to hundreds of days. Interestingly, the star can vary in brightness over a wide range, from a magnitude of about 0.5 to as bright as magnitude 0. This variance occurs in cycles, with the shortest lasting 185 days and the longest extending to 2,335 days. There are moments when VY Canis Majoris becomes particularly faint, a state known as V-band magnitude. For example, in February 2021, the star was reported to have reached its lowest V-band magnitude in years, dimming to a magnitude of plus 1.614. While still relatively bright, it was noticeably dimmer than usual. However, brightness is not the only remarkable aspect of VY Canis Majoris. The star is also renowned for its distinct reddish hue, which results from its relatively cool surface temperature of about 3,500 Kelvin. This is much cooler than the surface of our Sun, which has a temperature of around 5,500 Kelvin. Due to this lower temperature, VY Canis Majoris emits far less energy per unit area compared to the Sun. As a result, even though VY Canis Majoris is one of the largest stars we know, it appears much dimmer. The star is akin to a giant that doesn't feel the need to boast about its size to assert its importance. Nevertheless, don't be deceived by its appearance. VY Canis Majoris is an extraordinary supergiant, with a mass approximately 20 times that of the Sun. This immense size is one of the reasons the star has attracted so much attention from scientists throughout history. It has been a prominent object in the night sky and was first catalogued by the ancient Greek astronomer, whose name means the armpit of Orion in Arabic. Though little could be understood about VY Canis Majoris at the time, modern telescopes have allowed researchers to examine the star in greater detail. By analyzing the light it emits, astronomers have been able to determine many of its characteristics, such as its size, temperature, and composition. For example, the Hubble Space Telescope has captured intricate images of the star's surface, revealing patterns of gas and dust. These observations have allowed scientists to create models that help predict the star's future behavior. VY Canis Majoris has also been studied using the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, an advanced observatory located in Chile. ALMA has provided high-resolution images of the star's surface, uncovering additional details about its structure and activity. One of the most remarkable findings from ALMA is the discovery of an enormous plume of gas extending outward from the star's surface. This gas is believed to be caused by the pulsations of the star itself. These pulsations can be explained by a process known as convection, where hot gas rises while cold gas sinks. This motion creates waves that travel through the star's atmosphere, causing it to contract and expand. Thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have been able to obtain more detailed images of the star's surface, revealing further patterns of gas and dust. These images have contributed to the creation of models that help predict how the star might behave in the future. Moreover, the surface of VY Canis Majoris is marked by dark regions known as star spots or magnetic spots. These spots represent areas with strong magnetic fields, which prevent gas from rising from the interior of the star to the surface, resulting in cooler regions. As a consequence, these spots appear darker compared to the rest of the star. The magnetic field of VY Canis Majoris is believed to be thousands of times stronger than that of the Sun, and it has a profound effect on the star's surface. The magnetic field causes gas on the star's surface to be trapped in loops or arcs, creating regions of intense magnetic activity that are visible as star spots. It's important to note that star spots are not unique to VY Canis Majoris, as they are also found on other stars, including our Sun. However, the star spots on VY Canis Majoris are particularly interesting because of their size. These spots are several times larger than Earth and cover up to 20% of the star's surface. This is much more significant than the sunspots seen on our own Sun. These spots can have a noticeable effect on the star's overall brightness. As the spots move in and out of view, they contribute to fluctuations in the star's brightness. Since these spots are cooler, they emit less light than the surrounding areas, which results in variations in the observed brightness. In the case of VY Canis Majoris, the pulsations of the star also contribute to these brightness fluctuations. As the star expands and contracts, star spots move in and out of view, further amplifying the changes in its observed brightness. Interestingly, while VY Canis Majoris is unique in many ways, it is not entirely without comparison. While not many stars share all of its characteristics, some do exhibit similarities, making them equally fascinating. One of VY Canis Majoris' cosmic relatives is Antares, a red supergiant located in the constellation Scorpius. Like VY Canis Majoris, Antares is a variable star, meaning it undergoes brightness changes over time. Antares is also an immense star, with a mass around 12 times that of the Sun and a radius 700 times that of our Sun. So, while not identical, Antares certainly stands as an equally impressive example of a star of similar magnitude. Now, the question arises, has VY Canis Majoris already exploded? Could it be a matter of time before we witness it in our skies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. The potential fate of VY Canis Majoris is a subject that has intrigued astronomers for years. As one of the most massive and brightest stars known, it is a prime candidate for stellar evolution studies, particularly regarding the end stages of supergiants. These stars are expected to eventually reach a critical point in their life cycle, at which they will undergo a catastrophic explosion known as a supernova. In the case of VY Canis Majoris, scientists have been closely monitoring its behavior, looking for any signs that the star may be approaching this final stage. Supernovae are among the most powerful and destructive events in the universe, releasing vast amounts of energy and scattering elements throughout space. These events are crucial for the formation of new stars and planetary systems, as they enrich the surrounding space with heavy elements created in the cores of massive stars. If VY Canis Majoris were to go supernova, it would be a spectacular event that could potentially be visible from Earth even during the day. However, predicting when this might happen is extremely difficult, as the timescale of stellar evolution is vast, and such explosions can occur unpredictably. The study of stars like VY Canis Majoris offers more than just a glimpse into the fate of one individual star. It also helps astronomers understand the life cycles of other massive stars in the universe. By observing the behavior of these giants, scientists can gain insight into the processes that govern stellar evolution and the formation of new elements. Understanding these processes is essential for piecing together the broader narrative of how galaxies, stars, and planets come into existence. While the future of VY Canis Majoris is still uncertain, it is clear that the study of this star will continue to provide valuable insights into the workings of the universe. Its vast size, unusual behavior, and cosmic significance make it an essential object of study in the field of astrophysics. As technology advances and our observational capabilities improve, we may one day be able to observe the final stages of VY Canis Majoris' life in real time. For now, we can only watch and wonder, as this massive star continues its journey through the cosmos, reminding us of the ever-changing and unpredictable nature of the universe. In conclusion, VY Canis Majoris is a star that captures the imagination, not only because of its immense size and brightness, but also due to its unique behavior and the mysteries surrounding its future. Whether it will one day explode in a spectacular supernova or slowly evolve into something else remains to be seen, but its story will undoubtedly continue to inspire and fascinate those who study the stars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the life of VY Canis Majoris, make sure to stay tuned for more in-depth discussions about other fascinating objects in our universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest discoveries in the field of astronomy. Thank you once again for your interest and support. See you in the next video as we continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos. As we continue to study the stars and explore the mysteries of the cosmos, the case of VY Canis Majoris serves as a reminder of just how much we have yet to learn. The vastness of the universe is beyond comprehension, and every new discovery adds another layer of complexity to our understanding. VY Canis Majoris, with its unpredictable behavior and massive scale, is one of the many cosmic phenomena that challenge the limits of our knowledge. The star's pulsations, vast size, and intense magnetic fields provide an endless source of research for astronomers. What makes stars like VY Canis Majoris particularly fascinating is that they help us understand not just the life cycle of stars, but also the dynamics of galaxies themselves. These supergiants play a critical role in the cosmic ecosystem by influencing the formation of new stars and the creation of heavy elements that will go on to form planets, moons, and even life. The energy released in a supernova explosion has the potential to reshape entire galaxies, scattering elements like iron and carbon across vast distances, elements that are essential for life as we know it. Therefore, studying these stars is not only about understanding their individual lifespans, but also about grasping the larger mechanisms at play in the universe. While it is impossible to predict exactly when or how VY Canis Majoris will meet its end, the tools and technology we have at our disposal today allow us to observe its every move. Future advancements in space exploration, such as the launch of more powerful telescopes and space-based observatories, will undoubtedly yield more information about this enigmatic star and others like it. These technological breakthroughs will allow us to peer deeper into space than ever before, unveiling the secrets of these cosmic giants and bringing us closer to understanding the fundamental forces that shape the universe.